Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about CONCATENATEX function, how it is working. So we are going to see in today's video. So please watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on DAX, and also I'm trying to explain different examples on different functions so that you'll get more knowledge in Power BI as well as DAX. So now let's go to Power BI desktop. There we can understand the demo. So for timing, already I have prepared a report for today's demo purpose. So I will explain each and every step what I have done here. So before getting into the details, let me explain what are the tables I have imported in this table. Okay. So if you look at here, so category, customer, date, geography, internet sales, product, sales status, subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel. Okay, and also we'll try to see so what kind of relationship we have established between the dimensions and fact tables. Now let's go to the mold tab. So just hide these two things so that you will see. So if you, I'll try to zoom in. Okay, now we can see that we have dimension tables and fact tables within this. So already I established a relation between these dimensions. So I'll try to take the snipping. So sorry, where it is. Okay, I'll try to take another one, new one. So if you look at here, so these are the dimension tables. Okay, so these are the dimension tables and this is the fact table. Okay, so already we have established a relationship between the dimension tables and a fact table, one to many direction. Okay, so even if you can see also it's not bi-directional, it's like a one to many direction, means the belt of propagation has been flowing from one direction to the many direction. Even you can notice the symbol of the direction also. Okay, so we'll talk more on this upcoming sessions, but time being I'll try to explain. So I'll try to explain so what kind of in this report. Okay, now you can see that. So product wise we can the total sales for each product wise, so what is the sales amount. But in today's function we will talk only CONCATENATEX function, how it is working under. So I have one slicer, so year slicer. So based on the selection, automatically the product sales will getting. For example, if I click 2001, so we can see 2001, in 2001 year, so what is the each product wise sales amount. Okay, if I click 2002, so you can see that each in 2002 each product wise what is the total sales. Like that we can able to see the slicing and dicing. But sometimes we'll get a requirement that so whatever the selection has been done using the slicer, I want to see in card visible. How to do that? So for that I'm using a CONCATENATEX function. For example, if I click year, automatically will get year is equal to 2001. In case if I select multiple values, for example 2001 and 2003, so I'm going to display both. Okay, I'm just concatenating these two values, 2001 as well as 2003. But here if you notice here in this visual, it's an ascending order. First it is displaying 2001 as well as 2003, but in this visual, in this card visual, we can see 2003 in descending order. First is 2003 and second is 2001. I'll try to take the snipping. So here, so whatever the selection has been happening here, so by use I am just concatenating here, it's an ascending order. Okay, first is displaying 2001, after that 2003, but here I am displaying in descending order. So whatever the selection has been done here, I'm just displaying descending order, first 2003 as well as 2001, like that. Okay, so forgetting how I have written the measure, I'm going to show today. Okay, year 1. So I'll write a June. So if you see here, if is filtered, if the year column is getting filtered, after that I'm checking if it has one value. So here I'm just concatenating the string with what are the value available within the selection. Okay, other than that, if has one value, more than one has one value, I'm just concatenating by using CONCATENATEX function in ascending order. Okay, so if it is one value, I'm just taking the one value by using values and just concatenating. If it is more than one value has been selection, I'm just concatenating by using this function in ascending order. If we did not select anything, I'm just displaying please select some kind of text message to the users. Please select value or year, whatever it is, we can display. So for example, if did not select anything, we are just showing please select here. If I select 2001, automatically we are going to get 2001. If I select 2004, we are selecting two values, 2001, 4, but here in descending order 2004 and 2001. In case if I select 2003, see 1 3 4, here 4 3 1. So likewise in ascending order, this is in this measure I am creating an ascending order, but here descending only. This is the difference, otherwise rest remaining two all things are identical. There is no difference at all. Okay, only ascending and descending order. So this is comes to like displaying integer like year, month number, like that. But if you want to display some kind of text, region code, country name, how we can do that? So for that I have created a separate page. Here same thing. So here instead of taking a slicer as a year, I have taken as a region code. Okay, so based on the region code selection, automatically we are showing the product name with sales. For example, if I select any region, for that region what is the sales for each product wise. In AU region, I want to see the product wise sales. This product this much sales, this product this is the sales. So for CA, for D, for F. So likewise based on the region selection, automatically we are getting the product wise sales. So whatever the selection we are doing, so I want to capture it, I want to display in a card as well. How to do the same thing, whatever we have done at a year level, same thing we are also displaying. So I am using CONCATENATEX function only, nothing different. Here also CONCATENATEX, if we did not select anything, so please select region code. If we select at least one value, we are displaying that value. Okay, we'll see this. For example, if I select one FR, if I select second AU as well as FR, automatically first is, this is an ascending order, first is AU, after that FR, but this is a descending order, FR AU. If I select another one US first, because it's a descending order, here ascending order. Like that we can concatenate if we select multiple values in slicer. Okay, so I hope you like this video. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions or queries, so please send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for other videos.